Hey guys, welcome to the course. My name is Greta, a freelance jewelry designer. I'm here to teach you how to make beaded jewelry. At the beginning of the course, I'll introduce some popular types of beads, tools, and materials. Then I'll demonstrate a range of basic beading techniques that will make it easy for you to get started. There are 3 types of beaded jewelry you'll learn in this course. In the bead and wire section, you'll learn how to work with jewelry wires, metal frames, chains, and findings to create these beautiful jewelry pieces. During the bead stringing section, I'll show how to string beads with different stringing materials. You'll be able to make some bead string bracelets and floating bead necklaces. In the bead weaving section, I'll guide you through the process of how to make beaded jewelry with basic bead weaving stitches. At the end of the course, you'll be able to use the fundamental techniques to design and create your own jewelry. I'll be adding more projects and lessons to keep you updated. This course comes with lifetime access and 30-day money-back guarantee. Thank you so much for joining me. Let's start our jewelry making journey. Beading mat. A beading mat is a nice surface for designing and making beads jewelries. The most commonly used beading mats have nap on the surface, so they prevent beads rolling around and hold beads in place. You can also use other fabric as a beading mat for a cheaper price, like a piece of fleece I'm using right now. Beads. Beads come in so many different types. I'll give a brief introduction about some popular beads on the market. First, let's talk about glass beads. One of the most commonly used glass beads are synthetic crystal beads, usually made of leaded glass. Swarovski crystal beads are well known for their highest standards of quality, but they are more expensive than most of the other crystal beads on the market. If you are a beginner with low budget, you can get affordable color-mixed crystal beads that come in one package, so you have many colors to practice without paying too much. Popular shapes of crystal beads. The 5 groups of beads on the second row are 4mm bicone crystal beads. The bicone shape has kind of edgy look. They go really well with round beads because of the shape contrast. Here are round and teardrop crystal beads. Most crystal beads have multiple facets, which make them more sparkly. Well, there are some crystal beads are not faceted. The surfaces are just smooth. Drill styles. When choosing beads, we need to check about drill styles to match with our designs. Let's take teardrop beads for example. These beads are drilled from top to bottom, called vertical drilled. These are drilled horizontally through the top of the bead, called top drilled. If you put them on one string, the beads gonna lay in different ways. Then let's talk about finishes of crystal beads, which can change or enhance the bead's appearance. I'll cover 3 popular finishes of crystal beads. First one is transparent. These 3 groups of bicone crystal beads are in different colors with the same finish, transparent finish. It means light can pass through the beads. Their colors sometimes look a bit different depending on the colors of backgrounds and lighting conditions. I put these crystal beads on a piece of white tissue paper and my skin. The others still stay on the gray fabric. You can see the difference. The color of the beads on white tissue paper look lighter, and the ones on the gray fabric look a bit darker. Second one is metallic. It means there's a metal-like coating on the bead's surface. These are opaque crystal beads with a metallic coating finish, which gives the beads a look of metal. The third one is color AB. AB stands for Aurora Borealis effect, which is a special coating on a part of crystal beads to create a rainbow-like appearance. When shop online, you'll see all the information you need on the listings. Let's take a crystal beads listing on Amazon.com, for example. We can see the shape, size, quantity, and color. When the color name followed by letters AB, it means the beads have this rainbow-like coating. I've got these beads in my hand. This finish makes the beads reflect many different colors and more sparkly. Let's see these 4mm and 3mm bicon beads in crystal AB, which means transparent, colorless crystal beads with AB coating. They are widely used in wedding jewelries to match with white or cream pearls. The top-grade crystal AB bicon beads are always described as beautiful as diamonds. Another type of glass beads widely used in beads jewelries are glass pearls. They are made to look like real pearls, but more uniform in colors and shapes, cheaper than real pearls. Gemstone beads. The beads made of semi-precious gemstone usually have some inclusions and veinings inside. The colors are not even when you put the same gemstone beads together, but this is natural beauty. These are authentic oval-shaped freshwater pearls. They are not top-grade pearls. Every pearl has a slightly different shape. They don't look that consistent when you put them together. There are many beads made of a variety of other materials, such as metal, wood, acrylic, plastic, clay, etc. What are spacer beads? Spacer beads are usually smaller in size and placed between bigger beads. They help to create a more interesting pattern. Any bead can be used as a spacer bead. Let's see some examples. If I put 3 white glass pearls on a piece of beading wire to make a necklace, it's a very plain, simple design. If I put 3mm crystal AB bicon beads to separate the pearls, the design looks a bit dressy now. Placing gold metal beads between the white pearls, then we added a color contrast to the design. If I use silver metal beads to space these black beads, the design gets some highlight with color contrast and more eye-catching. What are seed beads? They are small beads used in a variety of beads jewelries. Round and cylinder seed beads are more commonly used. They can be used as spacer beads and be placed between larger beads, or they can help to create beautiful bead weaving patterns. Let's see a bead weaving pattern with white pearls. We can see clearly the thread bridge between the pearls. If we add seed beads between the pearls, the pattern looks a bit more interesting, and the thread bridges are all covered by the seed beads. You can see the comparison. Sizes of seed beads are quite confusing. You always see the numbers like this: size 6, size 8, size 10, size 11, size 15. Just need to remember, the larger the number, the smaller the bead. Here I put 4 seed beads on one string, from left to right. They are size 15, size 11, size 8, size 6. Size 11 is the most commonly used seed bead size. Size 11 is about 2 millimeters. It can be a bit smaller or bigger, depending on which manufacturer or brand you choose. You can also search on Google for each manufacturer's or brand's size chart before purchase. Frames. Here are some metal frames. They are very nice components we can add to beads jewelries. We'll use them soon in this course.